In this video, we show how to replace the system battery on a PowerEdge XR4510c sled. Before removing the system battery, read through and follow safety guidelines to protect your system from potential damage and ensure your personal safety. For more information about safety guidelines, see the XR4510c service manual at dell.com/support. In order to remove the system battery, you must first remove the cover. To remove the cover, while pressing the two blue release tabs, rotate and lift the cover. To remove the system battery, pull the battery holder clip away from the battery. Then, remove the battery from the battery holder. To install the system battery, pull back on the battery holder clip, then insert the battery into the battery holder and release the clip. To install the cover, align the cover with the T-nuts on the sled. Rotate and press down on the top cover until the cover locks into place. For more information or support, visit dell.com/support.